Tonight, we're going to prepare for tomorrow's trading day. I'm going to go over my watch list. We're going to look at my charting software, OmniBroker, which is not free. And we're going to look at a software package called TradingView, which is free. That does essentially the same thing, just doesn't do a lot of back testing and portfolio back testing. Anyway, you have to have your own strategy. You have to have your own indicators. You have to have your own watch list. And maybe this will help you develop that. Or maybe you can start with my watch list and grow yours from there. Let's get started. Preparing for the trading day. Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. It's Wednesday evening and I'm getting ready for the trading day for tomorrow. And I'm taking a look at my signals that I've generated via an OmniBroker program using the RSI indicator, the MACD indicator, and the stochastic indicator. And I take various different slices of a database of about 350 stocks. And these are the stocks in that list. Basically, I run a program to take some slices. And this slice here is the RSI slice. And I want to get all the ones that they say that the RSI is a buy. And tonight I'm just primarily using technical indicators. So the first one is Vertex. And we had buy signals here. And now we have them here. Basically, when the RSI 4 is below the 30 or above the 70, comes around, well, they like to take a look at a trade. And ideally, if the stochastic RSI and the MACD is below 0, we like to take a hit then too. Okay, and if they all occur within a little bit of each other, we like that. But primarily, we're taking a signal on the RSI. You can do that too. Anytime it goes below the 30, it comes back around. You could think about taking it along as long as the stochastic comes around as well and the MACD is below the 0 line. This is way below. We like that. Okay, then we took that trade and that would have been a nice big winner. And that situation here is occurring again. The MACD is not as low though. It happened over here as well. MACD is low. The RSI come around and the stochastic come around. It all occurred in the same time. And you had a buy there. And did you have it? Was it a winner? Yeah, I believe it would be. You have to wait about 10 days before you get out of a trade, so it would show a win after that. It wasn't a strong winner though, because this is a consolidating type pattern here, and I use another indicator called the zigzag. The TTM squeeze. And when you got dots there, there's no momentum. No momentum. Now we got momentum, and we can drive. Vertex is a buy, according to my algorithm. T-Mobile, same kind of situation. We do have some momentum down here. Things look up, and my system is signaling a buy for T-Mobile. Broadcom, the MACD is not deep. It's hanging around the 0 line. We like to see it a little deeper than that. But you had an RSI here and here. If you took that RSI signal, you would have had a winner. And you have to believe or not believe now. Broadcom, my system is saying go for a long based on the RSI. American Express, personally I don't like this company since they cut my credit line in 2008. And I believe they're cutting a lot of people's credit lines now. MACD way below. Stochastic is about to come around. And the RSI soon come around. Any time for American Express for long. I still play it. Chevron. Oil's tricky. Been beat up. I read an article today where it said oil's bottoming out at around, I think it said 70. My system says it's going to be a long. Forte Science really beat down. If you believe my system, you had a RSI signal here, and that would have been a winner. You had a short here, that would have been a winner. And you had a long here, that would have been a loser. And now you have a long here. Nothing's foolproof. You got to trust your system. Getting a long signal here for Forte Biosciences. Last one is Target. Well, if I had the fortitude and the smartness, this is a buy signal here way back in March. The RSI came around, stochastic come around, and deep below the 0 line territory. All conditions that I love to take a trade on and have some confidence. And look at that. Oh, this is a 50 EMA. And now it's bouncing off the 50 EMA again. Bounced here. It kept on going, running up. Is our economy slowing? Is there inflation? Is the housing bubble going to bust? What's about China? Is retail going to do good? Target is a strong company. RSI coming around. Stochastics And this is not so deep, but the MACD is below the zero line. That's all we require. Now, this could be a week for the shorts. Based on what we had some messing around. So let's quickly look at the RSI shorts. And by the way, when I like it when the RSI is below and above. I like the key off of that. And then when the other two indicators are indicating a directional move the same direction, I like it. And a lot of times if I see the zigzag switching, I like that too. Well, this is the first one on my list. And I'm looking down at the momentum indicator, and I'm not seeing anything, even though this thing gapped up, and now I'm singling a short. We're swing traders, and there's just not enough momentum, and it's hard to program that into a strategy, but we can see that by going through the list. By the way, I have a Discord chat. It's free. There's some people using it, and we got a ways to go yet, but it is a place to exchange information. And I do have this list out there for free. And here should be the ones we're looking at there. There it is. And here's the MACD recommendations. And some of these are going to be the same on the same side because, like I say, all three of them indicators come in around the same time. And then this is the stochastics. And again, you'll see some of these on the same list as over here. Check out my Discord chat. This is a lithium company. I'm going to tell you, I just haven't had a whole lot of luck with playing it. MACD above the zero. Stochastic RSI coming around. Was in the overbought, and now it's in the oversold. How far it's coming down, who knows? And maybe it'll bounce off that 50. Go back up. And the RSI is below the 30 coming around. Albemarle is another mineral company. Same kind of situation. Showing a short. It does lithium as well. A10 Networks. Big jump up. Maybe it's going to come back down and revert itself. Come down a little bit. Cheapy stock. Hard to trade these sometimes. Lithium, another one. When they all change, they change. Short on that technology company. That's jumping. And that gap is going to probably fill. Rocket company. A lot of people are trading this. It's a cheapy stock. No momentum down here. I'm skipping. And Under Armour. Probably too late to the game. Could have took it there. The zigzag changed a little bit. We just have to wait 2 bars for it. Too late to the game. Checkpoint Software showing an MACD buy. AT&T is showing a short, along with the CTF technology. 3M company, no momentum, stay away. Altria showing a short, but it's close to zero, and there's no momentum, stay away. X1, no momentum. Well, check out this list and do your own due diligence using the charting software that you have. And then I have other slices here. This is the stochastic RSI, a mean reversion play, gapper. There's no buy gappers and no short gappers at the moment. And this is a mean reversion weekly. There's actually some mean reversions there. And I'll go through this at another time. But basically, a mean reversion is that you have an indication that it's been in this case, oversold. And will it revert back to where it was trading somewhere up in here? That's one of them. AMET, same kind of thing. Situation where it's oversold. Will it revert back? It's not reverting yet, so you can get in there early, and this would be dangerous. But the theory about it always revert to its mean eventually. And by the way, this is going down, but it's not going down deeply. So at some point in time, this will reverse and meet that 50. Chevron, ARC, and by the way, be careful with these. They're taking some hits. There's a Target again. I'm going to look at Target. Target is going to be my pick. So that's what I'm going to go in with tomorrow is Target. Anyway, that's just, I take various different slices of the database. And based on an algorithm that I wrote. And each one of these is a different algorithm. It gives me a slice or a buy single or short single. And I can go down this list. And right now I'm showing parts of that list. Not the gappers and not the mean reversion. But I'm showing parts of that list on this report. It's out on my Discord chat, and you can take your own slices. Let me show you here just quickly, but this is not about TradingView. TradingView is free. You get up to 3 indicators. It's kind of neat. There's American Express. As I said, I had a long single, and see this is the same chart, same indicators. This is the zero lag MACD, stochastic RSI, and the RSI, and then you can have watch lists. And one of the watch lists I have is the same watch list that I'm using over OmniBroker, and I flagged them. And because I flagged them, I can use the flag in the screener. See these flags here? And I'm not showing you how to do this. You have to, but I can go, now I have it. This is my watch list. Instead of scanning the 8,000 stocks that are out there, I can just use my watch list. The stocks that I know and love and know a little bit about. And then I can go ahead and look at the stochastic. And when its stochastic is above the 80, like Kroger, by the way, I have a short on Kroger. I have a short. Click on that and look. Yeah, I took a short right there, and that stock is up here. Now, it is in October. It ends in October, so I have time to come back down, but it's not going my way. And at some point in time, at least 10 days before expiration, I'll close that out if it's a loss. Maybe before. Maybe I should take a loss now. But maybe I should take a short here. MACD is way above the 0. Stochastic RSI is way in the overbought condition, above the 80. And the RSI is above the 70. Will it come back around soon? It doesn't look like it's not coming around yet. It looks like that thing is going up. But this is how you can scan through and go down through the list. You can do it the RSI, the stochastic RSI, and the MACD is here too. It's in another chart. So you can take the same slices that I do. The only thing is you can't scan for a whole list of stocks using a scanner. You could just do one at a time. Okay, so over there I can go scan my whole watch list and get my singles for the whole watch list and my alerts for the watch list all at one time. But here you have to run it against one at a time. Still, for swing traders, that's all you need. Well, I hope this helped. Please do your own due diligence. I didn't mention it in the first part of the video, but I'm not your advisor. We are an education channel here, and we want to share some ideas. Share it on Discord. Please like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. It needs some help. We're growing, but very slowly. My trading has gotten better since I started sharing some ideas, and I hope your trading, if you get involved and engaged, I think your trading will get better too. Happy trading, and catch you on the flip. American Express for me tomorrow, but there's others that I like too.